So hello, namaste and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So now I am at Kausik's house. I didn't start the vlog at my house because there was construction going on near my house. So today my plan is simple. Kausik, Devakomal and Chandrilan, we are going to Bonda. So now it's 6:35 a.m. in the morning and look at the sun. Nowadays the sun rises very quickly and the temperature also, because means in the morning till 6 p.m. it's like a little cold, and but after 8 p.m. it becomes hot, and after 10 it becomes super hot. Because now it's the transition period from cold to. So guys, Kausik is back after so many days. Kausik, let's go. So his name is DK. So this is his first trip with us. So Devo, how are you feeling? Are you feeling excited?
Yeah, super excited, but there is a risk of getting there. Means मरने का भी बहुत मतलब डर है क्योंकि मेरा ब्रेक्स काम नहीं कर रहा.
I love this place, man. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Chandrapur straight and Bonda also straight. Chandrapur is 12 km from here and Bonda is around 4 to 5 km. We just took a small break. You can say cake and juice break. We needed that. And Chandril just now called and he has reached. Chandril, what's
Nunmati petrol pump.
Nunmati petrol pump. So he will reach within 10 minutes. Let's go. Till then we will reach Bonda Waterfall.
Yay, let's go.
Yeah, I don't know if you guys know or not that in Amchang there are leopards, and we are inside Amchang Wildlife Sanctuary. Wow! So I have crossed this water crossing, and now it's turn off Devagamal, and Chandril has also reached. Oh, Devo! So Chandril is saying that he went to Chandrapur. Why? You're and look at his new GoPro Hero 7
Silver.
When you will give your party of GoPro, we need party.
YouTube money है ना साला.
So we all have reached Bonda Waterfall, and now we are going at the top. Expedition on! And now we will go to explore the waterfall which is at the top. Let Kausik go first because we don't know the direction to go to the top. Aye, Kausik.
Narada police.
Kausik is still wearing the helmet. Safety first. Chandril, What is your name? What is the name of your character?
Mr. Jojo.
Mr. Jojo. Fully exhausted. So Chanwil is trying to cross this rock. So our sequence is first Kaushik will go, second I will go, and then Chanwil will go, and then at last Lebo Kamal will go.
अरे मैं यार तो क्यों दूँ?
जल्दी. It will break. It will break. It will break.
देवो स्मार्ट वर्क करो पारी. नहीं होए बोल.
Good one.
देवो. बोला आज ही हम पहाड़ की छोटी चूम लेंगे आज. छू तो दूरने के बाद चूम लेंगे एकदम. गले से लगा लेंगे. समझ रहे हो? समझ रहे हो आप? समझ रहे हो?
It's slippery out here, Debo. Be careful. Man, oh man. So we climbed all the way from there to here. Whoa. So we are continuing our journey. I was sitting in that rock. My mobile fell here and went in that pool.
Oh my god! Wow!
Wow, man. Mobile fell down now. It's not an waterproof, but luckily it's working. The color was brown, I think.
Yeah. I saw that tail.
Yes, I also saw the tail.
Cobra.
So we just saw a snake and we just saw the tail of the snake. So we are not sure which snake it is. So our guess is that it's a cobra. Kaushik, don't take the risk. Let's go 5 minutes later. So we are taking this pump as our safety. Kaushik, did you saw the snake going that side?
Yes.
Jai Bhadrakali. Oh, snake! Whoa. See. It's a cobra, I think. First we thought that we will go to the source, which is 100 meters away from the dam, but we saw 2 snakes and it was very risky because there may be many snakes. That's why we didn't go to the source, and we should be very careful because this is wild. In wild we have to go by the rules of nature. Look at the view. Look at the view. Woo! And down, it's the waterfall.
A few moments later.
Ball, recording hoche.
केला को जब मुझे सैंडल जोटो लास्ट टाइम मुझे ये दिखली जानने
So we are going down now and
ज़्यादा कोई तो
So we have lost our way now. So we are finding. So the recent update is that we are in the middle of nowhere and we have lost our way.
We are lost.
So we have successfully, without breaking any bones, reached down, and we are planning to take a bath in that small river. And let's go. And Debo and Kaushik are doing photo shoot. Kaushik is the model and Debo is the photographer. And Chandril and I am just standing. And one more bad news. And the screen means is doing. So we took a chilling bath. The water is really cold, and now we are heading towards home.
We will have some portha.
And we also met some small kids here.
Bye. Bye, Tata.
Today's temperature is 33 degrees Celsius, but it feels like it's 26-25 degrees Celsius. So we found a hotel and where we will eat paratha. I will not eat. Neva Kamal and Chandril will eat. So my speaker is not working. My speaker is recording my voice, but I can't hear. In other device I can hear. It means my speaker is not working. One of the worst wind blasts I have ever faced. The wind is too fast and it's blowing from the opposite side, which makes it difficult for the rider to ride. And the weather is super hot. Remember I said it does not feel like feels like 24. It feels like 38 or 50 degrees. So hot. I hope you all guys enjoyed this vlog, and as you guys know, my phone got damaged. That's why some of my clips went missing. And if you guys enjoyed this vlog for whatsoever reason, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you're new here, and also share this video, and meet you guys in the next vlog. And with that said, as always, goodbye, take care, and adios amigos.